In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an offer in Kajabi. This is perfect when you want to spin up a new offer that's almost identical to one you already have, without rebuilding everything from scratch. We'll keep it simple, clear, and make sure you know exactly what to update before you publish. Start from your Kajabi dashboard and head to Sales, then select Offers. This page lists all your existing offers. Find the one you want to copy. If you have a long list, take a moment to scan or use your usual way to locate it so you don't duplicate the wrong item. Once you've found it, look to the right of that offer and click the three-dot menu. Choose Duplicate. Kajabi will instantly create a new copy. By default, the duplicate keeps the original offer's name and adds a number to the end, which makes it easy to spot. Next, click the duplicated offer's title to open it in the offer editor. This is where you'll personalize the copy so it's clear and accurate for your customers. Start by updating the title. Adjust the offer title or internal title so it's descriptive and easy to recognize later. A clear naming convention can save you time, especially if you plan to create multiple variations. Now, review your pricing. Confirm the price is what you intend for this version and make sure the currency is correct for your audience. If the original offer used a specific payment structure, such as a one-time price, a subscription, or a payment plan, verify those details and adjust the terms and intervals as needed. This is also a good moment to update the description so it clearly communicates what's included and who the offer is for. Check the included products. The duplicate carries over the same products as the original, so confirm that they match your plan. If this variant is meant to include different content, swap products accordingly so customers unlock the right materials. Keep an eye on anything that might have transferred from the original. Duplicating is efficient, but it's still important to confirm the details align with your new goals. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving locks in your updates and makes your new offer live and ready to use. You can always return to the offer editor later to refine the title, tweak pricing, or adjust included products. And that's it. You duplicated your offer, tailored the essentials, and saved your changes, all without rebuilding from scratch.